How we doing, everybody, and welcome back to the Catalyst, where we break down all things bullish in the crypto markets today. Obviously not a whole lot of bullish stuff going on across the board. I'm gonna just do a little bit of a dive into quite a few coins and just kind of the general overview of what I normally cover on the channel. So ultimately, this is what we're looking at here for Bitcoin, right? So if we go from the peaks to the lowest point, we see the first kind of major dip was 98 days. Second one was about a month. The one we're currently in is at about 2 months. So we went from 3 months to 1 month to 2 months. So hopefully this is, the next 2-3 days might be the end here. We're still putting in a higher low, which is still good, along with a higher high here. So obviously this is not great what we're seeing, and it's not amazing, but the nice thing about hitting rock bottom is there's really only one place to go from there, and that's up. So hopefully that's what happens here. I wouldn't necessarily say we're at rock bottom. There is plenty of reason to suggest we could slip or wick much lower, potentially even testing this line here at 28K again. Nobody is certain. Hopefully, though, we do find some support off of this. It does not appear to be holding at the moment. You see, we've kind of been actually using it as some resistance. That would be ideal, and we'll see. It won't last forever, guys, so keep that in mind. I would say the bullish case for this is the fact that you're getting stuff on a huge discount right now, so that is obviously amazing. Because everyone goes, oh, if I could have bought here, or if I could have bought here. Well, now you can. This is your opportunity. You can buy in here, or start to DCA in some of these zones. Our RSI is so low. I mean, yeah, we could be choppy for a little bit. We've already been choppy enough here. So we've had a very similar pattern to this, right? You see big dip down, sideways for a bit, another dip down, sideways, and then hopefully we'll bounce from here. Big dip down, sideways, bigger dip, right? So that's exactly what we're seeing here. Horizontal, and then vertical for 3 months. Ideally, that's what we'll see here. And then this could potentially be treated as just a giant consolidation. So ultimately, though, I think this is just kind of a good buying point for a lot of cryptos across the board. Everything's on discount. And I think the important thing to note is this discount, like the last time the RSI was this low, we were back here, right? Back in this area. This would have been the best time to buy recently, in recent history. We're still up. We're still up. The market is still up 50% from a few months ago. That's good. So when in doubt, zoom out. Remember that. So keep an eye on this. Obviously, we don't want to see some massive downward moves like this. It doesn't appear at the moment that would be happening, in my opinion, but I'm not an expert, so who knows. So ultimately, if you're me, you're being patient. DCA these are great times to buy when we're kind of in this moment here, and just kind of go from there. Otherwise, I'll post a couple other videos breaking down some of the other cryptos for the rest of the evening in the next few days here. So that is all I got for you guys on Bitcoin and just the market in general, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.